Say hi, boys.
Hi, boy. Hi.
Today we are going to make a craft since we're stuck inside, but then we'll be able to use it when we get to go outside. What are we gonna make today, boys?
A kite.
A kite! Yay! So I had some yarn left over from something I used a long time ago. I also had some streamers left over from a 2-year-old birthday party. And then skewers. I have a ton of skewers that I accidentally bought a long time ago. And then maybe some stickers. And I was mostly getting paper from scrapbooking stuff. But you could probably also use just construction paper as well. Pick you a piece of paper you want. You want that paper? And you want the pink one? You just get one piece. Which one do you want? Ethan, you're gonna do red?
Yeah.
Okay. So since I can only record with one hand, I have taped down one skewer to paper. Yes, well, I know. We want that one too. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the triangle. So we're going to try and do this one-handed, but this could be a little difficult. So we taped down the middle. Now we're going to put the other skewer right here. And before we do that, we're going to put the string attached here in the middle. Okay, so I taped this skewer down on each of these ends. I might put some more tape, and then I actually tied these two together with the yarn. So this will be your string. Ooh, extreme close-up, to let them run with. I tied the streamer to the bottom here, and I taped it too. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up. Now, granted, this paper is square, so this is going to be a very square kite. But you know what? It does the work that needs to be done. So I'm going to tape all that together as well. And voila. So what I did is on the back, I taped a lot. We like a lot of tape over here. And then we have a little tail. You can make it as long as you want. And now brother is going to decorate with some stickers and have some fun with it because, well, mommy had to make most of the kite. But now we're going to work with Ethan on his kite. All the stickers, right? Yeah, all the stickers. Show it to me. Woo, looks really cool. Kind of makes me think what it'll look like when you decorate your graduation cap.
Mommy.
You love it? Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Yes. No decorating, no nothing. We're just going to go bare bones. It's kind of raining out right now, so you know what? It's great exercise for the kids to run back and forth and try really hard to get their kite flying.